Hello guys, today I have a new video for you. So basically I'm going to be teaching you how to, crap, forgot to put, oh crap, what? I know what, Alright, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to use an anvil and a beacon. So anvil is pretty simple. So I'm going to teach you everything about an anvil. So first of all, I'm going to teach you how to put books into an anvils. So how to put a book is put dinosaur death or whatever you want, and you have to have the books that, like, if you put in fantasy on a sword, it won't be good. So yeah, but that's how you put sharpness on sword, or you could just enchant it. But if you have books, you could just use that. So now I'm going to be teaching you how to let me shorten this for first. How to change the name, and then how to put swords together. So how to change the name, you just put the sword here, and then you just, yeah, like that. Now if you want to put swords together, so imagine the sharpness 4 and the sharpness 4, you'll get sharpness 5. And if you have a sharpness 3 and a sharpness 3, you'll get sharpness 4. So it goes like that. Now, how to use a beacon. So the beacon's pretty simple. I just learnt this today actually. So you can use diamond blocks for this or emerald blocks. I think iron and gold works, so I'm not sure. I'm going to use emerald because I'm used to it. So you have to make like a box like this. Oops, sorry, I'm doing this wrong. Like this. So, and you put the beacon in the middle, so it should work. Yep, like that. So if you want to make it like this, you only have speed and haste. So if you want to have those, you have to make the box bigger, like a pyramid, and then make a little box here. So now it should, yeah, see. So to get the thing, you need to, well, I don't know if iron works. Yeah, it does work. So imagine I want speed. You just press the speed button and you get the iron ingot and you press done. And now if you go over here, it says that I have speed. So if you want to have the other things, the other powers, you just make the box even bigger. I mean the pyramid even bigger. Put the thing there. Just finishing this over here. And by the way, I'll be buying a mic soon, so you don't have to worry about my mic. And it should work, yeah, strength. So that's how you do it. Now if you want to add the regeneration, you just do the same thing. I'll do it for you guys, kids. So just do it like that. And by the way, if you have to if you just make the outside like I'm doing and don't have the emerald blocks or the blocks there, it won't work. So you have to cover all this up. Now just make this and now it works. So just gonna get on and get now if I go over here, right, yeah, a bit short. So thanks for watching. I hope I helped you guys. If you have any problems with this, just write in the comments. I'll always read your comments. So yeah, thanks for watching and peace out.